Hi, Tito Nestor.
Hi. Good evening. I'd like to know, well, first of all, I'd like to say something, to congratulate the first episode. It's a very stressful, very tension-filled first episode. Shugo. Thank you. Why did you or the team produce this series at this point in time?
First off po, maraming salamat po ulit sa pagdalo ninyo.
Your father is my friend.
Yes, sir. I mentioned it po. Bakit namin introduced yung series?
Oh,
Because sa simula pa lang po nung we were conceptualizing the story, we've already, there's a part of us that as storytellers, the stories of these people needs to be heard. Pakiramdam namin, yung kwento nitong mga characters na nandito, characters that they represent, are stories that will resonate not just dito sa atin sa Pilipinas, but globally. This is a story of, like you said, a critical period in our history. It's a story na hindi dapat natin makalimutan, na dapat marinig nung ating mga kababayan.
I had initially thought, before I came here, I thought it was going to be a documentary, but the way you presented the story, it's really a very strong narrative. Why do you want to bring this film to the global audience?
Una po, we believe in the talents of tayo, mga Pilipino. We believe na malakas yung ating storytelling, at pakiramdam namin when we're doing this is an opportunity para maipakilala, lalo na yung galing ng ating cast na nandito.
Galing.
The Filipino artist needs to be heard and seen sa global stage. So yun po yung dahilan.
Saan nga ito papalabas?
Yung Keys Global and sila po yung in charge ng sales and distribution. I'm sure there will be an announcement soon, but right now
Feedback.
yun po, there will be an announcement soon, but right now we'd like to parang focus po on the material that we hope you can help us spread. Kung nagustuhan po ninyo, tulungan niyo po kaming ipalaganap yung mensahe ng kwento at yung mga kapuri-puring aspeto ng palabas.
Salamat at kumusta kay Nilo?
Maraming salamat din po, Sir Nestor.
Thank you, Tito Nestor. Next up, we have Tito Bobby Regentina for his 2 questions. Go, Tito Bobby.
Hello, magandang gabi. Sir, what makes drug war uniquely Filipino?
Yes, sige po. I think one is the story. It's really, yung root po niya is this very unique, specific period in our history that I think shaped us kung sino tayo ngayon. Pangalawa, it's Filipino because of, like I mentioned, all the talents that put this show together. From the cast, to the crew, to everyone involved in the making of this series. Yun po.
And then sir, okay, last question. After watching the series, yung 6 episodes, ang ganda nung first episode. What is it that you hope the audience carry with them after mapanood nila lahat ng episodes ng Drug War?
Ang gusto po sana namin pagkatapos mapanood ng audience yung 6 na episode, magkaroon po ng conversation between those people who see it, kung saan man, kung ano man ang pananaw ninyo, kung nasan man kayo nakatayo sa paniniwala, magkaroon ng pag-uusap, because tingin namin sa pag-uusap, sa conversation na to, dito magkakaroon po ng catharsis, or may magtututunan tayo sa isa't isa, dito magkakaroon ng unawaan, and eventually it can lead to better us. Yun naman ang gusto ng bawat kwentista o storyteller po, maibahagi sa bawat isa sa audience niya yung kwento o mensaheng gusto niyang iabot, at sa pamamagitan ng conversation sa mga nakapanood, mas tataas yung antas ng pag-uusap.
Thank you, Direk. Congratulations.
Thank you, Tito Bobby. Ready na rin po si Tito June Lalin para sa kanyang mga katanungan. Nandun po siya sa may gitna po ng cinema.
Hello, yan.
Hi, Tito June. Nandito po siya sa
Direk,
gitna po.
Direk Shugo, congratulations, Ian.
Thank you po.
Oo, ang ganda. Oo,
Maraming salamat.
I'm so proud of the project nyo. No? I was there in Singapore nung i-launch to sa
Asia TV.
Asian TV film market. Ang bongga. Doon pa lang, in-introduce nyo to direct, ang dami ng inquiries, di ba? Busy kayo sa kaliwat kalang meetings, di ba? Nakakatuwa na ang dami nagkagusto. And yung partner nyo dito, doon nyo nakilala, tama?
Tama po, KC Global. Dito po namin sila, nung nilaunch po namin yung series, KC Global. So, I guess nagustuhan nila.
Yeah. Oo.
And we partnered with them. Sila po yung, there are sales and distribution.
Yeah, oo. Grabe nga yung yung feedback doon. Di ba nandun ka MJ? Remember nandun tayo?
Yes po.
Di ba? Oo.
Punong-puno at pumalampak sila doon sa nung pinalabas at yes.
Oo. That time direct, siyempre hindi pa naman talaga namin napanood, hindi pa nakailang nag-shoot pa lang kayo eh. That time you're still shooting. Feeling ko hindi ko talaga kasi I'm not into this kind of mga genre, no? Pero nang mapanood ko kanina, my gosh, hindi ako makatayo. Ang ganda. Yung pagkakadirect mo, tama nga si Tito Nestor, no? Ang dating din sa akin, at first baka Tokyo, pero ang ganda, grabe.
Thank you po.
Ian, after watching the first episode, kasi that time, syempre, hindi pa naman talaga buo, di ba? Now, after watching, anong masasabi mo? Anong nararamdaman mo? I'm sure you're very, very proud also.
I'm